Subscribe to Get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Summer and frozen desserts go hand in hand. So which is why today I'm going to show you how to make 2 frozen yogurts at home. One is a mango one and the other is a rich, luscious chocolate frozen yogurt. So let's get started with these recipes. I'm going to start with the frozen mango yogurt. For that, I've got the pulp of 2 kesar mangoes here, which I'm just going to add to the bowl of my food processor. To this, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. You can also use hung yogurt. Now to give this a really nice Indian flavor, I'm going to add the seeds of 1 green cardamom pod. I'm just going to crush this up slightly. Just add that to the food processor. And the zest of 1 lime. That's it. All we have to do is just blend this up now. Now to this, I'm going to add 2.5 tablespoons of liquid jaggery. If you can't find liquid jaggery, no problem. Just feel free to substitute it with honey. Now I'm just going to blend this up. That's beautifully blended. I'm just going to pour it into this container. And now all we have to do is just let it rest in the freezer for anywhere between 4 to 6 hours. The next one is my personal favorite because everyone tends to love it. It's the chocolate frozen yogurt, but the base for this is frozen bananas. So I'm going to start with adding 2 bananas that have been chopped up really finely and were frozen. I'm going to add this to the bowl of my food processor. Now to this, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, a tiny pinch of cinnamon powder, and 1 tiny pinch of salt. Both of these ingredients bring out the natural chocolatiness of the cocoa powder, and 3 tablespoons of liquid jaggery. And of course, a 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. Now I'm just going to blend this up really quickly. Our chocolate frozen yogurt also looks really nice and rich. I'm just going to pour it into this container. I'll see this baby in another 6 hours as well. These recipes are perfect for the summer and you can even get the kids involved in making them. And when you do try these recipes at home, be sure to leave a comment below and tell us what you thought of them. For loads more such recipes, subscribe to Get Curried.